Kharkiv region. Russian channels report about Ukrainian counterattacks and a bogged-down offensive on their own part. Is the situation shifting? Several Russian channels are reporting that the Ukrainian forces have launched counterattacks in the Kharkiv direction. Besides that, they state that their own offensive has come to a standstill. And Ukraine Armed Forces spokesperson also said that Ukraine is now controlling 70% of Vovchansk, compared to an earlier number of 60%, which means a small increase of recaptured areas. Russians are claiming they made a column of armor and began to march forward from Kursk. During the march, they were struck. They say the first and last vehicles were destroyed, and then the middle was systematically destroyed. They say the manner of their march was in the style of 2022, and that the damage was catastrophic. Ukrainians aren't saying this, Russian mill bloggers are. Third year of the war. Precise blows to the head and tail of the column. Then the enemy hit the squares. The cars in the center managed to disperse as best they could. Notes from a veteran. Just last week I wrote about the movement of military columns 8 kilometers from the border. Since that moment nothing has changed except that the columns have become longer. It was the third year of the war, 9. LPR 1. If it hasn't dawned on anyone yet that in the zone of possible shelling on our territories it is prohibited. Move in convoys of more than 2 cars. Any formations of more than 5 military personnel. Meetings, gatherings, say hello, vouch, etc. When will the commanders' heads turn on? Roman Alekhine comrades, in the flight zone of UAVs and artillery, we must look for different logistics routes and split up groups, especially when there are routes, including safe ones, even if the distance is greater. Russian-occupied building in central Vovchansk, getting destroyed by Ukrainian precision bombs. More confirmation from the Ukrainian side. In the Kharkiv region, the picture is generally improving in our favor. I told you the guys have a lot of ammo on HIMARS and different rockets. Magyar has pulled up in the direction, and these are not only effective FPV drone crews, but also powerful EW RBM systems. Damn. The new, non-corrupt, honest Russian Minister of Defense says Ukraine lost 35,000 people in May, in addition to 290 tanks and hundreds of other equipment. Dude's got a good start. Recent work of SBU units. In a week time, they destroyed lots of Russian equipment. Along their losses are 10 tanks, 16 APCs, 19 artillery pieces, 5 AD systems, 167 cars, 5 UAVs, 13 communication equipment, and 1 boat. Yesterday, a video appeared online showing a Ukrainian Max Pro speeding through the streets of Chasiv Yar at full speed, despite heavy Russian fire, carrying out a combat mission. That was a teaser. Now we are releasing the full version. This video is from the fighters of the Black Swan strike group. At the wheel is Ukrainian fighter Mikolich, with navigator Kesha, driving to a position to retrieve a wounded soldier and deliver supplies to Ukrainian units' combat crews who are heroically holding the most challenging sections of the front. Words are unnecessary. Watch and draw your own conclusions. Mikolich, Kesha, and everyone defending Chasiv Yar right now. You are incredible. Once again, you have achieved the impossible. But for the first time, we have documented it. Heroes live among us. We are proud of you. Thank you. And we continue our work. To all defenders of the country, we are writing history. Today, now, and every moment. Glory to the armed forces of Ukraine. Glory to the warrior defenders. Glory to the heroes of Ukraine. A Russian supply base in the industrial district of Shebekino, Belgorod region, Russia, was wiped out this morning. In the debris field, parts of a missiles can be seen. Russian propaganda initially claimed that a civilian market was hit, but the location is neither civilian nor the debris seen on the pictures. It proves that Ukrainian forces are starting to destroy Russian military support bases for their incursion in Kharkiv region. And for the end, imagine yourself reeling in a big one when out of nowhere the USS Teddy Roosevelt pulls up.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.